Artificial intelligence, AI, is replacing jobs at all levels everywhere. From the janitor to the executive, no job is safe today from AI. But what about the heroes of the cycling community? The men and women responsible for leading the Sierra Foothills Cycling Club rides? The question remains, can AI replace our ride leaders?
Good morning, people. My name is Hal, and I am your AI ride leader today, tomorrow, the next day. Heck, I'll just lead all the rides so you don't have to. Yeah! And you know what? I love interacting with you guys, and I'm here to help you guys out, and I'm here to make your life easier. I have remotely downloaded today's route into your GPS devices. I plan to be available to assist with any malfunction. I will now sign everyone in electronically using my built-in facial recognition software. All signed in. I will sweep the ride as always. And remember, this is a no-drop ride as long as you keep up.
He's funny.
Just kidding. Have a fun and safe ride, and when you get back, I'll have homemade brownies and ice cream for everyone.
Today is your day. We're here to recognize all the effort that you put in, and from the board and from all of us, and even the membership. I'll speak for the membership at large. We're really proud of what you do, and it doesn't go unnoticed. So we're very grateful, and I want to thank you for that. And I'm going to go ahead and introduce Pamela, your ride director.
We're honored to celebrate the top ride leaders and announce the ride leader of the year today. Anybody have a guess who number 1 is?
I can't believe this is happening. It's not real. This is all a bunch of AI slop. Who's doing this?